This is how we at Everyworks Singapore perform our grass turfing process. Step 1. Weeding and removing existing grass. We meticulously clear the area of all weeds and any old grass, ensuring a clean slate for your new garden area. Step 2. Level the soil and sand. We carefully level the ground, adding sand where necessary to create a smooth, even surface that supports optimal grass growth. Step 3. Cut and plant the carpet grass. We precisely cut the carpet grass to fit your lawn's dimensions and plant it carefully to ensure a perfect fit. Step 4. Press the carpet grass. We firmly press the grass into the soil, encouraging strong root contact and securing the grass in place. Step 5. Water the grass. We will thoroughly water the newly installed grass, providing it with the essential moisture needed for healthy growth and a vibrant, green appearance. Check out the difference before and after our grass turfing process. Invest in grass turfing for your residential landscape now. WhatsApp us at 82410032 for a quote and allow us to maintain the beauty of your outdoor space.